it's my friend. Anong intro natin? Nakalimutan ko na talaga din nag-vlog.
Hi, Nicole!
For this video, we will be doing the affordable Christmas gift ideas. And as you can see kasi, ngayon ulit kami nakapag-vlog na sit down.
It's almost Christmas and we're uploading this, I think,
Before 12.
before 12. You guys can get the deals kasi yun talaga yung parang best time to shop for Christmas gifts. Again, all the links nasa description box para diretso check out na kayo.
And this video is not sponsored, by the way. We just want to create this video just for the sake na makita niyo yung mga Recos namin for this upcoming Christmas kasi
It's been a while.
it's been a while, you know. Anyway, let's unbox it na. I'm so excited na. Open this one. You can see it's green. It's a Christmas tree.
Is this your outfit for Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas. First, ito munang V crop top na V-neck.
Free crop top na V-neck.
Ang ganda nito. Oh my gosh. So, the quality para siyang Erism. So, naghanap kasi ako ng crop top na Erism sa Uniqlo.
Same ba
Wala
price
akong
na ito?
makita. I'm not sure. Check nyo kaya yung description.
Same thing but black?
Yeah,
And then
same
mas
thing
manipis.
ba? No, same lang siya.
Hindi. Ito iba dito.
Iba yan. Ito nga
Eh,
magkasama
hindi naman
yan.
V-neck yan eh.
V-neck to. Ang
Ay.
tawag mo dito, U.
Oh, it's the same thing pala.
Yeah. Oh, it's raining.
Umuulan.
It's raining, guys. Cover your duck and hold. Anyway, so ayun nga, I got these two tops. And then, bumili ako na itong parang Zara top. Itong crop top na plain black kasi wala akong ganito na eh. So, bumili ako in black and white since I'm going to change my wardrobe nga. 152 pesos. Imagine the quality.
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya. Promise, no joke. Hindi ako nagbibiro talaga. Isa sa mga magandang quality na nabili ko sa Shopee na mura ng less than 200. And this one costs 140 pesos.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. This is my first. Yeah.
Okay, here's my next parcel.
Careful na baka yung matira the box.
Oh yeah, feel like I know. So this is inspired sa...
Cloud.
Ay, nakalagay. Inspired by Ariana Grande's Cloud Perfume.
Oh, yung very famous.
Yeah, a
na
lot of
perfume.
Yeah, actually sa shop na to may iba't ibang perfume.
So parang
talaga.
mga siya inspired perfume.
Yeah. And then you can get it like, ito yung pinakamaliit nila.
How much?
Around 280?
Not bad.
Hindi to for me talaga, pero good idea to, like, for Christmas, ganyan.
Actually, bibigyan niya sa akin. Ako nag-birthday.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo ng mga gantong scent. It's sweet kasi
Yeah, it's sweet.
Ito pala mo yun.
Okay, let's open this. Ay. What's this?
Ayun o.
Nabasa mo ba?
Yeah.
Makeup brush cleaner by the artist of the Philippines. Eme. You have to stick this thing. No, ako pa nagkabit seller.
Oo nga, wala na ako
Sis,
lagay
na,
dito.
ako pa magkakabit guys. So, it's a do-it-yourself. It's a makeup brush cleaner.
Then, what you do?
What you do is just you have to spray it in your face. Facial mist pala. Pag wala kayong time mag-wash ng ano, kung gusto nyo
Parang
instant
Ace Hardware,
agad. Oo nga eh. Kung walang kayo nito, brush nyo lang
Ano ba talaga? Parang hindi ka pa rin siya gagawin mo.
brush mo lang to. Ay,
Ay,
spray
hindi
mo lang
dito?
to. Pwede.
Hindi dito. Hindi mo sure.
Kahit
Tapos,
super konti lang, then, oh, sis. Kita niyo ba yan? Sis, oh. Sis, wala. Ay, ang galing. Siyempre, cleaner to, di ba? Ay, ang galing, Nicole. Hindi na ako mahirap tamari maghugas ng brushes
yeah,
ko.
kasi super tamad siya maghugas ng brush.
And look at this, Nicole. Ang nag-white
Naging
siya.
white. How to use? Shake well before use.
Hindi ko siya Shucks.
Hindi mo siya nikat.
Kaya pala parang may kulong pala. Hindi, nag-work
Ate,
naman.
tinagapantay yung pagdikit mo. Gently wipe bristles back and forth
Back and forth.
on the paper towel.
I followed your directions, guys. If meron kayong friend na super love ng mga makeup, I suggest ito na lang yung regalo nyo kasi nga, they can use it.
It's practical.
It's practical, yeah. But inaaway natin sila. Oh, yeah!
As a vlogger,
As a vlogger, you need this, guys. Sa mga friend nyo ng mga vlogger, kaya sa mga makeup artist yung friend. Oh,
tada! So it's like a stand and
you can actually adjust it
adjust
pa.
the length.
Yeah.
Length or height pala. So pag nag-watch kayo ng Netflix, uy! Pwede palang ganyan.
For your vlogging, it's very stable. Kasi mabigat yung phone, di ba? Pero hindi siya natutumba.
This is a good find, guys. Highly recommend talaga.
Okay, we're back, guys. Pinatila lang namin yung ulan. Kaya super loud talaga. Baka marindi kayo or something. Anyway, nabuksan ko na to, guys. Let's open it.
Nabuksan mo na, pero let's open.
Now, let's all open it together.
We're so excited!
Kasi if you guys don't know, here sa house namin, may nail studio kami. And syempre, if we do that thing, we need some professional, you know,
Tools
and
and equipment.
So, kaya nahirapan kayo before kasi super light lang ng UV light namin. So, we decided to buy the large one.
Ang laki, kasi ba dalawang kamay? Oh my God,
Kasi
kasi
dalawang
dalawang
kamay.
kamay. If you want to do your own gel nails, yeah, gusto lang talaga namin dito yung machine na kasi it's so big. It saves you time.
Time to heal. To detect. We also got some gel polishes. Mga color niya is very new.
Christmassy. But,
Oh, Christmas green. Oh,
yeah, we chose yung mga festive colors like
Christmas green.
burgundy,
Red. Paano nabili? Ilan nabili ko? Bagong 20 pesos na yun. Merry Christmas! Ganyan siya yung shape niya. Yung favorite namin talaga.
Yeah, that's the only mask that we use.
Kaya ako ng gray. Asan yung gray? Oh my God. How dare you guys? Ang dami na. Sige, magreklamo pa si Mami. Hindi pa ako bumibili ng mask. Ang dami kong binili.
Okay, this is my next parcel. Yeah, for someone who loves coffee.
Ano yan? Filter?
Reusable.
They're usable pads.
Pods. So if you have coffee machines, diba, you buy pods. Ganito siya, guys. So, reusable pods siya. Yun na. I mean, less waste din.
Yeah.
And then, yun
So,
nga, you can
reusable.
use anything. Kunwari may matcha powder ka, or kaya may coffee powder ka.
Then you have the Nespresso or the big coffee machine. You can use that
this.
instead of buying yung mga pods.
Kasi
Talaga.
mahal din ng mga pods.
Mahal.
diba?
And then yung waste din nun.
Then, Ates parcel. Super laki.
Actually, I'm not sure what is this kasi it says PR. So I think it's a PR. All the love, patrons. Ang dami, guys. Oh my God, thank you so much. You know that I love chicken nuggets. Oh my God, what is this? Parang siyang, ganyan siya na top.
One-sided?
Hindi, double-sided tape. Hindi, parang pag ganun siya.
Ayan.
Oh my God, it's so pretty. I like it.
Eh, maganda to.
Wait, parang yung black top mo. Oh my gosh, may ganito na ako finally. Thank you so much. And then they send me a dress.
Yeah, it's a dress.
Oh my God! Alam niyo yung mga dress na sinusuot ko. Pero this one, meron siyang crunch sa taas. And then,
Backless.
Backless siya. Then may ganito sa taas. Mini skirt dress. Ganyan mo na siya.
Another one of the polo.
Oh, I think we can do matchy-matchy with that. Pero mas maganda to, parang hindi siya mas see-through, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Mas maano yung color niya. Kasi kanina mas
You
light.
can wear
so mas
this
see-through.
alone.
I'm gonna wear it now. Oh my God, thank you so much, Lishka Clothing. This is so dami, ah.
Oh my God, ito yung favorite namin, guys.
Oh, you got another one.
Coffee pouches na we actually discovered nung nag-Korea kami.
Yeah.
Like, ito yung brand nun. We saw naman din sa Shopee. Though a bit pricey siya. Siguro 50 pesos nyo mabibili sa Korea. But sa Shopee, around 80 na.
Ganda parang mukbang.
Yan.
First day says, hazelnut, Americano or something.
Baliktad yung isa.
Okay, hazelnut.
Get ice. And then, salig mo na to.
And then what? You know what? Super sarap yun talaga.
super sarap na talaga as in.
Next is this. Bumili lang ako, guys, ng shirt. Binili ko to kasi sa color niya. Gusto ko yung color niya green. It says, The Honor Club.
Walang S.
MS ba? The Honors Club.
Honor Club.
Kaya ako nito binili kasi nga sa mga guys,
Guy
mahilig,
friend.
magsuot ng mga
Statement
laking,
tees.
yes. 100 something lang to, 149 or 99 lang. Mura lang to kasi marami siyang mga iba't ibang colors din.
Wow! This is just another makeup poodle. Yeah, kasi I love color correctors talaga. Like, kapag nagme-makeup kayo, I think better
If you
yung
use color corrector.
color corrector kasi less product na yung concealer, foundation.
Yeah.
So, this one's from Get Ready With Me, the Radiance Tint. I use kasi talaga green color correctors for marks, ganyan.
So
And
nice.
speaking of makeup, guys, we cannot forget, if you're looking for a sign, ito yung sign, if you guys wanna try out our PN Beauty lip tint. So, we have two, and ito yung latest release.
It can be used as your blush din.
Yeah, kasi multi-way creamy tint sila. So, mas sulit for me kasi nga you can use it eyes, sa cheeks, sa lips. So, yun. And then we have 4 shades. Also, our best-selling.
Yeah, the soft matte tint, the PN Beauty soft matte tint. This one is perfect kapag gusto mo for everyday lang, mas lightweight sa lips mo. You guys can go for this one. Kasi super, dami na namin feedbacks na naka-receive na super ganda nito. Perfect for everyday. And itong shade na gagamitin ko is in the shade Body. Look guys, super ganda niya. Super nice siya sa lips talaga as in. And it's very long-lasting kasi nag-iiwan siya ng stain sa lips mo. So if you want that effect, get this soft matte tint. Pero kung gusto nyo gawing blush, then yung lippy nyo, just one product. Pero pang eyes, cheeks, and lips, you guys can go for the PN Beauty Multi-Way Creamy Tint.
I believe we will have a sale or a promo this 12/12 as well. So, this is your
Sign. And if you guys want yung usong-usong
Pinkish.
pink ngayon, go for
Milkshake.
milkshake. The best. Speaking of makeup then guys, bumili ako na itong makeup kit ko or organizer ko or makeup storage
Kasi
ko.
makeup artist na po siya.
Makeup artist ako. Tingnan naman guys. Meron na siyang storage for brushes. Super nice na to. Here, marami siyang compartments talaga. As in, super dami. Huwag yung tingnan yung makeup ko ang kalat na ngayon. You can actually adjust yung mga dividers niyang ganun. Para mag-multiplication kayo and mag-subtraction kayo. Every time na nagta-travel kami, ito na yung dala-dala ko. Kasi nga meron ako mga gigs.
Gigs. Ate, let's show our matchy bag. Kasi
This is our
guys,
bag for school.
our twin bag.
Yeah, recommended by me.
Una siya bumili niyan. Sabi ko, ate, I like it. Kasi ang ganda ng ganito niya. Same day nung nakuha niya dahil chinek out ko na to.
And dumating din kinabukasan. Super bilis.
Pero feeling ko cute talaga siya as a gift. For moms or kaya for your friends.
Yeah, you can use it for your school or sa work nyo, kahit saan po. Kasi ginamit ko dito nung nag-travel kami. Also, we repurchased itong aming mga body soap, guys. But you can also use it on your face. Pero we use it as our body soap talaga. Premium Kojic Whitening Soap.
We love this kasi it's very moisturizing. Plus, meron nga
Yes.
siyang whitening effect din.
If you guys want yung talagang intense whitening, you guys can go for the Kojic variant.
Yeah.
This one. Pero if you want naman yung very mild lang, perfect sa mga teenagers, clean skin na milk variant.
Yeah,
kasi
milk.
mas mild siya.
It also has vitamin E, aloe vera. So, this is like our favorite body soap.
Baka mag-sale sila ng 99 or 100 lang.
Yeah, super mura lang nito. Kaya
Mura lang
worth it
siya,
siya
guys.
bilhin. And meron din sila yung parang...
Yeah, naka-bundle.
Yeah, meron sa mga
Para mas
kabundle.
discounted. Ayan. Our last item is this black
Cute naman.
bag. Actually, dalawa siya. This one. And this one kasi super cute niya. Ang liit lang niya. But super spacious na. Ang dami kong dinala. Camera ko nandito. Wallet ko nandito. Size ko nandito. So, super nice niyan. Maliit siya pero it's very spacious siya. And I also got it in white naman. Pero, yeah, very iba na yung style niya. Yeah, super nice nito. Ginamit ko ito ng event din kami. Super nice kasi nito. Bagay siya sa outfit mo. And yung shape niya, kakaiba. Hindi siya yung usual na handbag.
I think that's everything na ipapakita namin sa inyo guys as our 12-12 recos.
Yes.
For sure, we'll have more recos via our IG stories. Like more on outfits.
So yeah, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And click the bell button beside it to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. All the links are on the description box below.
So check it out and we'll see you guys next time.
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.